The underlying assumption of the classical linear approach to organizational change is that it involves a series of predictable, reducible steps that enable senior management to establish a new work order and routine. At a high level, change activities relate to the process of requesting changes, assessing changes, authorizing changes, and reviewing changes. In the meantime, from an Agile perspective, most traditional change management procedures are too complicated, too slow, or too late. Change management is a systematic approach to dealing with change, both from the perspective of your organization and on the individual level. Conflict in change management, management of individuals who resist change, and the reasons and causes for conflict within change also need to be elaborated upon. As the main types of change that need to be managed, whether caused by new technology implementations, process updates, compliance initiatives, reorganization, or customer service improvements, is constant and necessary for growth and profitability. Change management includes methods that redirect or redefine the use of resources, business processes, or budget allocations, and leverage your change management practices with Agile development teams to foster IT delivery adoption. Organizations can leverage enterprise change management practices in conjunction with Agile development teams to foster IT delivery adoption. Businesses in a rapid change environment develop strategic plans to create a clear business vision and to establish key organizational goals and objectives, as well as to develop aligned strategies and strategic guidelines. Also, before you adopt any model or approach, you might need to figure out why your business needs change and how this change will impact your business. Approaching change management in stages will assist you to approach change in your organization in a systematic manner that will help you effectively implement the change, since there is nothing more difficult to carry out, nor more doubtful of success or dangerous to handle, than to initiate a new order of things. From start to finish, help employees better understand the need for change and the rationale behind the decisions, as well as the ways the change may affect them. Using Agile management principles, project teams can respond quickly to customers, product users, and the market in general, and are able to develop relevant, helpful products that people want to use. Want to see how your change management processes are performing? Find out more with our Change Management Self-Assessment Toolkit, which you can find at store.theartofservice.com/change management toolkit.